Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build our own digital bouncer or firewall. We test it live and actually see what happens when unsafe traffic hits a blocked port. Let's get started. To build a firewall, we need no downloads, no GitHub, just a few commands. Open the terminal. The first step will set the base, and by the end, you will actually see how it blocks the unsafe traffic in real time. Sudo apt install iptables. This install firewall package on Kali Linux. It is already built in on most systems, and running this ensures that you have it installed and ready. Type nano myshield.sh to open the nano editor. MyShield is the name of our firewall. Paste the custom script. To copy, link is in the description. The customized script is simple but very powerful. It only allows safe traffic like SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, and ping. Port 8080 is blocked. That means any request hitting that port drop instantly. Now Control O, enter, Control X to exit. Type ls and here is our MyShield. chmod plus X. This gives the execution permission so it can run like a command line tool. All set. Time to launch our own firewall with this simple command. myshield.sh, hit enter, and here is the interactive menu. Type 1 to activate. You can customize it as per the requirement. Control C to exit. Clear the screen. Sudo myshield-h for the help menu. Here you can see how to activate or deactivate the protection, same as in interactive menu. Clear the screen. Time to test. Type curl and any website of your own choice. Example.com in this case. This connects to HTTP port 80, which is allowed by MyShield. Example.com, hit enter. Now here is the HTML response from the website proving allowed traffic works. Type sudo iptables -l -n -v. Now this will display all active firewall rules. As you can see, the exception for port 2280.443 and ICMP. The default policy drop on input. All other ports are blocked. Perfect. Time to check blocked ports like 8080. Type same command with restricted port number. It will take couple of seconds. Port 8080, hit enter. Wait for a while. Right. The request is dropped by MyShield. Connection attempt failed because 8080 is not in the allowed list. To monitor dropped packets in the real time, type sudo tail-f/var/log. Complete the command, hit enter. Right. Here you can see firewall log in real time. This confirms that MyShield is actively blocking unauthorized traffic. Your protection is in action to keep your machine safe. Control C to exit. This is how you can create your own customized firewall with your own rules to keep the machine safe. Any questions related to this are always welcome. And thanks for watching.